about how to change the password in MX Linux, which is pretty similar to other Linux distributions. We're going to click on the MX User Manager, which we have on the desktop. You can also search for it down here on the little start menu. I'm going to open that. We're going to use the middle area here where it says change user password. We have to select the user. In our configuration, the user's name is user with a capital U. And then all we have to do to change the user password is click into the area where it says new user password and confirm user password. Then we hit apply down at the bottom and we're done. As soon as we restart, it will require to use the new user password. So I'm going to put in a different password than the current configuration has. And I'm just going to type a couple of things. And I'm going to hit apply. Password entries do not match. Well, it helps if you type in the same thing. So let me try it again. Now hit apply. This time it's asking you for, because this is an administrative function, it's asking you for the original user password. So I'm going to put that in, press enter, and now it says the password is fully changed. Okay, I'm going to restart and log back in. So I'm going to restart the system. And we may speed that up a little bit. We didn't really actually need to do the total restart. We could have just logged out and logged back in, but to make sure that the username and the password reflect the new, I wanted to do a restart. Okay, now I'm going to put in the new password that I just changed it to, and press enter, and it should come up to the desktop. Again, fairly simple process to be able to change a user password. Now we're also going to show you how to create a new user account. So I'm going to again open up the MX User Password, MX User Manager rather, and I'm going to go up to the top this time and I'm going to put in a new user account, and then I'm just going to call this one Bubba, and then I'm going to give the new user a particular password. And then I'm going to uncheck the box that says grant this user administrative rights, because I don't want this user to be able to log in as an administrator. Once I've selected both of those things, I click apply. Again, passwords don't match. Let's try it again. I think I hit the shift on one of them, but not on the other. Let's try that. I hit apply. Now it's asking me for the password again, and this is the administrator password. So I'm going to put in the administrator password that I just changed it to. Click on authenticate, and it should come up and give me a good response now saying the new user account exists. Okay, I'm going to close out of this. This time I'm just going to do a log out this time instead of a restart, just for speed purposes. So now I can choose either the original account or the one that I just created. Now the one I just created is a non-administrator account. So put in the password for that. I choose login. And the desktop is going to look differently this time because it is not the same account. And that's pretty much it. Okay. When this account logs in, it brings up a lot of the startup type things. Now it does not have any icons on the desktop because, again, this is a different user account. All right, hopefully this has been helpful to you. Stay tuned for more.